once again a round of applause to the most beautiful bride. A round of applause for Shine. What a beautiful bride. Magbigay galang ka, Shine, sa iyong mga magulang. And we give a round also to the parents of our bride. May request our groom to receive your bride. Can we give a round of applause also to the parents of RJ? And also Shine, magbigay galang ka din sa mga magulang ni RJ.
Tayo po ay manalangin, tayo